Juliver update na nag-rent musical date ang Juliver at family bonding ngayong Friday. Kita naman gano'n nag-enjoy sila Julian San Jose at Weber Cruz. Yung pang IG story ni Julie, naparar pa nga si Weber. Ito, carpool sesh ng Juliver. Kaya kinanta nila yung kantang Beauty and the Beast.
Tale as old as time, strange as it can be. Well, the influence that somebody bends unexpectedly.
Ang duet yan.
Just a little change.
Solid
Small to say the least, but a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast, ever just the same, ever a surprise, ever as before, ever just as sure as the sun will rise.
Nakawak pa si Weber sa binti ni Julie. Sweet. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Victor Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.